Are you experiencing burning pain in your arm or leg that won't go away? You may have a pinched nerve, and physiotherapy can be the fastest way to lasting relief without medication or surgery. What is a pinched nerve? A pinched nerve, also called radiculopathy, occurs when surrounding tissues like herniated discs, tight muscles, or inflamed joints put pressure on the spinal nerve root. Common symptoms include sharp or burning pain down the leg or arm, numbness or tingling, weakness in the affected limb, pain that worsens with sitting or certain neck or back movements. The most common areas affected are the cervical spine, which is neck, and the lumbar spine, which is lower back, causing radiating pain into the arm or leg. At our Sarut Park clinic, we take full body approach to both relieve the nerve pressure and prevent it from coming back. Manual therapy to improve spinal joint mobility, spinal mobilization or manipulation for disc unloading, dry needling or acupuncture for muscle tension around the nerve, postural correction training for the long-term prevention, nerve gliding exercises to keep the nerve mobile and healthy. Treatment is progressive and customized. Some patients feel relief after 2 to 3 sessions, while others need several weeks or full recovery.
Exercise demo. Sciatic nerve glide.
Sit upright on your chair. Extend your legs straight out, flex the foot. At the same time, tilt your head slightly downward. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then return to the start. Do 10 reps per side, 2 to 3 sets per day. This helps mobilize the sciatic nerve safely without compressing it.
Can a pinched nerve heal without surgery?
Yes, most resolve fully with the conservative care like physiotherapy.
How long does recovery take?
With the consistent treatment, many recover in 4 to 6 weeks.
What if my symptoms worsen with exercise?
Back off, consult us. Not all exercises are right for everyone. We customize based on your nerve and pain patterns. Nerve pain can be scary, but it is treatable. With the right therapy, you don't just recover, you become stronger and more resilient than before. Book your assessment today at Emerald Hills Physiotherapy in Sarut Park.